What if I told you that people are making thousands of dollars every month by uploading short, relaxing videos that they didn't even film themselves? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start doing the same thing from scratch using 100% free or affordable AI tools. This creator has over 10 million views with this type of content. What's even more exciting is that I checked out another creator's page and she has over 120 million views on her videos. It's crazy, especially since all of this can be achieved using free tools. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create viral relaxing reels like these using ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, Hailuo AI, and CapCut. Let's go! To generate the image, we'll use ChatGPT. So head on to ChatGPT and give it this prompt, and it will provide suitable prompts for you. I have attached the prompt to this video. Head to Leonardo AI, which provides you 150 free daily credits that can help you create images for free. Once you land on Leonardo dashboard, click on image creation. Next, click on this right here and select Flux Schnell. Then select the right dimension for your video. Since it's for Instagram and YouTube Shorts, we will choose 9:16. Then copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here and hit generate. In few seconds, your image will be generated. Just look at that. Are they not magical? If you are satisfied with the images, click on the download button. If you're enjoying the video so far, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe to show your support. Now go to Hailuo AI. This tool lets you animate still images into realistic looping videos with natural movement, perfect for relaxing content. Upload your image and choose the animation style you like. It will generate a video with ambient movement, making your static image feel alive. If you are not satisfied with the results, you can go back, change the prompt, and generate. Once you are satisfied with the results, click on download button. CapCut is a free, powerful editor for TikTok, IG Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Open CapCut and import the animated video from Hailuo. Adjust brightness, saturation, or add filters if needed. Add subtle branding or text to your video. Export your video in vertical formats. 9:16, 1080p or 4K is now ready to post. You've just created your first viral ready AI generated relaxing reel. But how do you make money from it? Make sure to post consistent 1-2 videos a day. Enable YouTube Shorts monetization and IG Reels bonus if available. Add affiliate links to digital relaxation products or music. Sell your own AI video bundle or starter kit. Build a following and pitch brand deals. This is how creators are turning chill vibes into $10K month income streams passively. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Thank you for watching.